Not, not, can you spell it? N-O-T, not. Say it loud and say it clear. Not is a word we love to hear. Not, 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 not. Not, 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 let's spell it N-O-T, not.
Today's sight word is not. Can you say it? Not. Great. Now let's spell it together. N-O-T. Not. Amazing. Not is a word we use a lot. Let's say it one more time. Not. You're doing great. Keep practicing and you'll be a reading superstar.